Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the watch has enough power and a backup. Changing the display can reset settings. Once charged and backed up, clear a clean workspace and remove any strap that blocks access. Next, open the companion phone app and the watch settings app so you can switch between on-device and app-based display controls. Make sure to enable advanced display options or developer display features when available. This lets you access color profiles, refresh rates, and always-on settings right away. Now configure the core display modes. Choose a built-in or custom watch face and preview it to verify spacing and complications. Then change the refresh rate. Higher rates look smoother but use more battery, so balance performance and battery life. Switch color profiles or enable OLED compensation to avoid burn-in. This improves longevity. Once done, fine-tune brightness, timeout, and touch sensitivity so the display responds reliably. If the watch supports variable refresh, make sure the auto mode is enabled for mixed usage. Finish by applying all changes and testing immediately. Cycle through watch faces, open apps, swipe gestures, and check notifications so you see real-world behavior. Once satisfied, wear the watch for a few minutes to detect any ghosting or responsiveness issues. If color or touch still seems off, recalibrate touch input or reduce brightness. Make sure to resync settings with the companion app. Troubleshooting tip: if the display freezes or shows artifacts, force restart the watch first, then resync.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.